guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have Globin for January. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So again, the January 2025 Globein Box is here. They did send this to me for review, so thank you so much for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So you guys, last month I think I chose a little late. I forgot to go back in, even though my phone reminded me, my alarm. I think I was a little late. So this guy actually arrived the day that I left to go to California to go visit my mom for her birthday, and I was there 8 days. Today's my first day back. I got in like at midnight last night. So this, I have a few different boxes here on my desk to do. Of course, everything always comes when I am gone, but that is fine. You guys get to see it now. And I already did choose this month's, and it's already shipping. So once that one comes in, I will show you the February box, but let's go ahead and dive into the January box. So if you guys do not know, Globin they are just simply amazing. They have so many different products that they go and find from different artisans from around the world and bring them right to your door. When you do sign up, you get to pick every single product. There's 3 different items. You get to choose one product from each category. I'll start showing you right here because there's so many different products, what you can choose for category number 1. Again, there's always so many different things and they change every single month. They even have at the end, after you choose your 3, you can always do an add-on, but I just have to keep talking because there's a lot to show you on this side. So basically on the 1st or the 2nd, depending on which member you are, you can go in, I think it's like after 9 o'clock my time, you can go in and start customizing your box. The sooner you customize it, the more products are going to be available, because some of them might only have a handful of products per item. But again, that's the great thing about it, because there's so many different things to choose from. So you go in, the sooner the better, and then that's basically the sooner that they will ship your box out as well. So again, all of these are the different choices for number 1. Let's go ahead and dive in and pull my products out. The great thing about this taking kind of a little bit, even though the shipping is great because it's coming, you know, a distance, but the great thing about it is by the time it comes, I've normally already picked the following month, so I kind of forget about the box that comes. So I don't really remember what's in here. That's what I'm trying to say. But I have a product here. You always get your little card here, which I will show you. And then I have one more. Ooh, I think I might know what this one is. I think I know what this one is. So let me just set that out of the way. So you do have this little card, and I love that. It gives you your packing slip, but it also has a postcard. They're always different. This month here, it says from Bali. And on the other side, it is handwritten in 2 different languages. And I always tell you guys, I can barely speak one language. So for them to write out 2 different languages here, their language and ours, just attention to detail. I just love that. And you always get a little card with each item that gives you a little bit more information about the item as well. So sent with love, best regards. And it says, how are you? Good morning. Greetings from Bali. Like, again, that's just amazing because it's handwritten, 2 different languages. I have never seen that before other than in this box. So I'm going to, yes, this is number 1. I'm going to show you what this is, and I really love that some of you guys really know me, and you'll see all the different things that go on the side, and you'll kind of choose like in your head what you think I will choose. So if you ever do that and I show what you think or not, just let me know, because I love to hear that and I love talking with you guys anyways. But let's go ahead and unwrap my item number 1. And again, I'm super excited because that's the great thing. You can always choose something for yourself or for a gift idea. They have so much stuff from indoors to outdoors to kitchen to just normal decor. Like, they just have so much different things that I normally have trouble picking because there's so much to choose from. But I love that because there's so many different options. Everybody's different. So let's go ahead and, you know what it is yet? This here is a bamboo wind chime. This is valued at, this is the handcrafted blue bamboo and coconut shell wind chime. Blue Rhythm. It's valued for $54. And so this one is going to have its card attached to it itself. Let me get this off here. Let me just cut the tag off. I love their wind chimes. I don't think I have a bamboo one, but I have some that are all made out of like shell, and I think there's one that might be even like glass beads. But when I saw this blue, and it even has like a design on it, look at that. And then you have this little guy down here, and this is made in Indonesia. And then here is the card. So while I read you this card, I'm going to start showing you the different items for number 2, because sometimes I have to like scroll quickly because I don't have enough time to show you everything. So I would like to take its time so you can look at everything, and I will tell you a little bit more about this one. It says Blue Rhythm. Listen to the sounds of nature with a charming creation directly from Bali. And again, I just really, really love their wind chimes. And so when I saw a bamboo one and that it was blue, I've never seen one like actually painted. I always just see them this raw. So I am loving that. I cannot wait to set that up and just hear that. It's just so peaceful. I love hearing wind chimes. So that was definitely the one that I chose for sure. Okay, so for number 2, I chose something that I'm actually not quite sure what it was, but I wanted it. I saw that they had something with the chakras, so it looked like it's like a banner that I can maybe hang up like over, yeah. So I can hang it up over like my crystal area. Look at that. So it's all of the chakras. So here's the first one with this really pretty design. And then here is, I'll just go this way so you can see them all. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I love that. I'm definitely going to either hang this on my wall, or I want to redo my whole crystal area and have little boxes and kind of color coordinate them a little bit. So I don't know if like I can hang this against that or on the wall or something. I don't know, again, what I'm going to do with it, but I saw the chakras and I honestly thought it was going to be a lot smaller. I didn't know it was going to be this big. But that's even better because that's exciting that it's bigger because you can see it more, and it's gonna like probably cover like pretty much one wall, which I am excited for that. So this here is the hand painted. Oh my gosh, all of this is hand painted, you guys. Hand painted rayon bunting old chakra. This is valued at $32, and it says it's 13 inches by 76 inches if you wanted to know the dimensions. And then the card, let the bright colors on this rainbow colored bunting take you to your happy place. Using batik, B-A-T-I-K, I'm not sure, techniques, the Balinese artisans hand paint each Rylon flag with a chakra motif. Oh my gosh, you guys, I love that. And again, I'm more excited that they're so much bigger than what I thought they were going to be by just looking at the item scrolling. So that's a win. So now all of the different items you can choose for number 3 will be right here. Again, I just love the fact that you get to choose your entire box, making it completely customized to how you want it to be. And then if you didn't want to get the box, you can either skip it, I believe, or use the points for their shop instead of for the box. So if you look through everything and you're like, this one's just not really tickling my fancy, then you can always use the points or save the points. And I like that you have that flexibility as well. So let's go ahead and get into my number 3 choice. And if you see these go by, you probably would know this is what Tracy chose. If you see and you know me, you know I love butterflies. Like, butterflies are a staple to me. It reminds me of my grandmother and my mom, the 2 most important women in my life. So once I saw that they had these little butterfly magnets, I had to get them for my refrigerator. I just thought that was simply adorable. And if I wanted, I could like send one to my mom and I could keep one so we kind of like have a matching pair. If I did that, I would send her the purple because that's her favorite color, or I'll keep them both. I'm not quite sure, but she might end up getting one of these at one point so we can both have one on our fridge. I think that is super neat. So this is the set of 2 hand-painted floral butterfly shaped wood magnets. And these are valued at $16 for the set of 2. You have your magnet right on the back. Again, those are just stunning, hand-painted, just so beautiful. I love that. So this one says, the artisan takes you around Bali with the bewitching series of accessories crafted from sturdy Gempinus, Gempinnis wood as a nod to the region's rich nature. So, oh my goodness. So for my choices, I chose the 2 butterflies, which I love that. I chose the Chakra, like banner hand painted. And then I am loving this wind chime. Okay, you guys. So now that is everything for my choice for the January box. Again, sorry it was a little bit late, but I was on vacation for 8 days and I really couldn't be in 2 places at once. So sorry it had to be a little bit late, but now you can definitely see it. And if you wanted to sign up, everything will be listed down below. I will go over the pricing and everything for you now. I do have my own code, which is SheCrafty. That will allow you to shop their artisan shop and get 20% off. If you are an actual subscriber, your perk, another perk of having them is you get 20% off their shop at any given time. But if you don't want to jump straight to a subscription, but you would like to purchase some of the items from their shop for yourself or for gift ideas, you can use my code SheCrafty to save you that 20% off their shop without having a subscription. But if you do want a subscription, again, these are absolutely amazing products. So you can do 3 months at a time. They don't do 1 month. It's 3 months is the lowest. So a 3-month subscription would be $40 per box. 6-month subscription would bring your box price down to $37 per box. And if you go to a full 12-month subscription, it brings it down to $35 per box. That's it. You do have shipping that's in addition, but $35 to get 3 items that you get to pick, that's amazing. So the box builder will give members the opportunity to select 3 artisan crafted items from over 30 of Globin's most popular products. This will allow you to build a custom box curated of the exact items you want. And again, I love that. You can shop their shop anytime. If you are a member, again, you get that 20% off, or you can use my code to get it if you're not a member. Their mission is to deliver joy by empowering and connecting remarkable remote artisans to mindful customers. Again, they get to go to the outreach, find all these amazing products. I love, like, they're even hand-blown glass. I have vases, I have drinkware, I have martini glasses, I have margarita glasses, I have wine glasses, I have shot glasses. I have so many different things. Like, Globin literally is inside of every single room, indoors and outdoors, and I absolutely love them. So if you'd like to check them out, they will all be linked down below for you to go and hop on over to their site so you can take a look at what they have to offer. If you'd like to check out other companies, learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. If you're not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can see all the different videos that I do. I do so many different types. If one comes up that you're not interested in, just pass it until you see one that you do. It's that simple. So that is now everything that I have to say and show for this particular video. Comment down below and let me know what you thought about it. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.